Okay, so from here we guys will start our next video. So what is feedback mechanism? I have given a very basic introduction of feedback mechanism in my previous video, so let me just exaggerate it. Basically, feedback mechanism is the check and balance mechanism of the body, which actually check and balance, uh, make sure that everything is maintained in the body. Then it requires three organs. Those are sensory cells, control center, brain, and the glands or muscles. Okay ji, and then there are two types of feedback. The first one is positive and the second one is negative. So first move towards the negative feedback. Negative feedback is known as the adverse effect or the opposite effect that is produced in relation. It is produced in relation to any change in body fluids. To any change in body fluids. Okay, it means that the the substance which is increased will be, for a moment of a time it will get decreased, and then it will again get to its normal state. Okay, so we can take the example of sugar level of sugar patients. When their sugar level is high, insulin production will take place throughout the pancreas, and then glucose glucose will be break down into glycogen, and the sugar level will get to its normal state. Okay, are you guys getting me? So the purpose of this one example is that the sugar level is getting high and the production of insulin is getting, then glucose will break down into glycogen, and then the sugar will get at normal state. We have, let me just write it over here, that increased substance will decrease for a moment of time and then comes to its normal state. Okay, now we do have positive feedback, in which it refers to the similar effect. It is not the, it means that is not the opposite effect of the any change in the body. Okay, in this the increased substance the increased substance will increase rather than getting decreased, and it will never get into its normal state. Okay, we have the example that of heat stroke. The temperature regulation takes place in our body in higher animals, so the temperature will increase in summers, and the patient will get heat stroke. If temperature is rising too much, so the person will get the chances of the heat stroke, and it may cause kinda good bad effects, right? So in this, increased substance would be increasing rather than getting decreased. Okay, so I have another example of positive feedback, which is the production of oxytocin hormone. You guys are already known about our pituitary gland, that the oxytocin is released by pituitary gland. It is a hormone that is released during the labor pain, right? It is oxytocin. It is produced during the labor pain. What happens? It increases during the labor pain, and this is the examples of positive feedback, and this is what we have done today, negative and positive feedback. So in my next video we guys will be going to discuss about the osmoregulation of, means we guys are going to take a overlook on the first type of the homeostasis, which is osmoregulation, and we guys will surely get into the balancing of water and solids in the body. About you guys will learn about water potential, osmosis, diffusion, and the types of osmosis. So stick to my channel, and if you guys need any kind of questions, you guys can do comment. Please like and subscribe.